Bakit ka naglumangkam? Hello, hello, hello. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening all over the world and where you are tuning in right now. My name is Julianne again. It's me, Julianne, or they call me Jow for short, as what my friends call me. And time check muna tayo. Today is 12:59. Oh, magwa 1 p.m. na in the afternoon. And today is Thursday, September 26, 2024. And yes, I'm on live. So, hey. Yes, you might see me every day on this live, doing live every day. Or see me every day on live, oh my gosh, paulit-ulit na lang, repeat. Because we have this 90-day success challenge ongoing on our team, and I jumped in this challenge because I want for three reasons: personal growth, professional growth, and to form a new habit. And today is our 67th day of our 90 days. And every day we have a topic where we share our experiences, our stories, our insights, and our opinions. Diba? Kung saan kayo makakapag-resonate doon. And as you can see on my screen, www.josonkit.com is my website because I have a digital online business, and I'm a business owner and a business mentor where we help individuals to jumpstart their online businesses. And ano nga ba, before we gonna jump into that topic, just want to share something na ano ba, this business about this business, tungkol lang naman dito sa aming magandang life-changing na business na 'to. Um, ah, yung business naman na ito, bakit lagi nilang sinasabing life-changing at saka goldmine because ang dami talagang benefits. Hindi lang naman basta-basta lang business because it is for family. It will take care of your family. So while going on your business, you're doing or building a legacy to your family. So which is yun talaga yung pinaka-importante sa atin, 'di ba? At saka kung bakit ba tayo nagbi-business. At saka aside from for personal reasons na gusto nating mabili ang mga gusto natin, 'di ba? So yes, ang aming topic for today is the importance or relevance of mentorship in our business. Mentorship, kahit ano naman yan kahit saan may mentorship, di ba? Growing up, sa school, ayan, mga mentors natin yung mga teachers natin, mga yan. Kasi ano nga ba ang mentor? Mentor is someone who guides you, who supports you, di ba? And who shares their expertise kasi mas experience sila Tsaka pati sa trabaho, 'di ba? Bakit mini-mentor or yung tawag nila hindi mentorship, it's orienting, 'di ba? Ganyan din parang mentorship. And bakit offers guidance, offers expertise, bakit mas matanda naman ako sa kanya, or mas nauna naman ako nag-graduate sa kanya, bakit siya ang magiging mentee ko, 'di ba? Mas marami naman akong alam. Usually ganyan yung mga tanong nila But in every situations, kung magpupunta ka sa mga work, kahit na natapos ka na, ma-experience ka na, at papasok ka sa isang trabaho or isang hospital, like for me, I work in a hospital. Every institution has their own policies and procedures. Even if you are an experienced one, kapag hindi mo alam ang policies and procedures, 'di ba? Parang pag-start mo pa lang parang ano ka, parang wala kang kaalam-alam or parang baguhan ka pa rin talaga. Even if you know the skills, even if you know the uh, napag-aralan mo lahat, hindi mo pag mag-start ka pa lang, hindi mo pa rin alam. And that's the beauty of having a mentorship, 'di ba? Nadadaan ka sa mentorship program. Kasi doon, kahit na bata yan or kasisimula pa lang yan sa isang trabaho, at siya ang magiging mentor mo parang parang matatamaan yung ego mo, 'di ba? Pero hindi po dapat. Kasi when you join a, institution or a, sa trabaho or any company, diyan ka pa rin dadaan at dadaan. Kasi ituturo nila sa'yo kung papaano patakbuhin even if you have the idea. But you don't know how to run it, you don't know how the process is, you don't know the system. 'Yan yung, kaya tinatawag na dadaan ka ng mentorship program. And, at saka yun yung talagang pinakaimportante kasi when you have a mentor, it's not only, the mentor is the one guiding you or supporting you, 'di ba? She's the one guiding you or showing you the light, where the light is, showing you the strategies, showing you the, expertise and the experiences that they've encountered so that 'wag mong pagdaanan para maiwasan mo na pagdaanan yung mga mali na pinagdaanan nila. Yun yung pinakaimportante dun. Kaya may mentorship program. So, 'pag sa business, napakaimportante talaga yun. Even if you're working or even if you are a boss on your own or a CEO on your own, yun yung mahirap sa mga individual sa mga individual businesses, especially if, ikaw lang talaga ang magma-manage at magpapatakbo. Kaya kalimitan, first 3 years ng mga businesses, bankruptcy na 'yan yung mga fini-face nila, 'di ba, karamihan. But, in our business, it's different. We are a CEO or we are boss on our own, but the difference is we have this mentorship program, which is, kahit na nandun sa training site or there is still kahit na nandun yung, package na ibibigay sa'yo na susundan mo, we still have this, mentorship program na kung saan may mentor ka na tutulong at gagabay sa'yo at ituturo niya sa'yo kung papaano mo pagdadaanan yung mga challenges na yun at papaano mo haharapin ang mga yun. So yun yung kagandahan. And, and I'm so proud that I've, joined this business na may gano'ng program kasi even if there is a training site, kung wala kang mentor na magtuturo at magpapa-remind sa'yo na "Hey, tingnan mo 'to or i-check mo 'to kasi ito yung mga bagong updates." O 'di ba, lalo na yung sa mga updates kasi importante 'yan. Um hindi ko titingnan or hindi ko sisilipin, yun yung kagandahan kaya may mentor ka na magpapa-remind sa'yo at magsasabi sa'yo na, "Eto, try to do this, try to do that, and then, i-check mo itong panoorin mo 'to." O 'di ba, may magtuturo talaga sa'yo kung papaano, yun yung maganda. And the thing is, it depends on the person if they'll gonna accept it or no, but as a mentor, at least you're showing the right path or the right way. 'Di ba, reminding them what to do. Yun yung pinakaimportante. And the thing is, yung culture talaga. Kung 'di ba, yung sa growing up, parang yung mga magulang din natin, they are mentoring us or they are guiding us growing up so that, alam natin kung papaano ang, harapin ang mga pagsubok paglaki natin, 'di ba? And it's the same thing as, natututunan natin kung papaano natin, itrato or palakihin ang mga anak natin or itrato ang mga tao na nasa paligid natin. So, it's the same thing. And when you have a mentor, the tendency is you're copying them also. So, yung tendency kung ano yung natutunan mo sa mentor mo, yun din yung ipapasa mo sa mga mentees mo. Kaya dun mo makikita kung magta-thrive ba ang isang business or magta-thrive ba ang isang team kung 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 ano yung ginawa nung mentor. So, yun talaga yung importante kung gusto mo talagang mag-success, maging successful ang isang business or maging successful ang isang team, you should start doing what you should have to do and what your mentee wants to follow. So, which is, yung kagandahan pagpasok namin dito sa business na 'to, we already saw yung ganyang kultura kaya parang pinapasa na lang namin at yun ang ginagawa namin. So, So yun yung mga nakita ko sa business at saka sa community namin. So, before na mag-proceed tayo sa mga sa ating discussion is ayan na, si Sis Jeans first owner si Gina ngayon. Naunahan ka na Sis Zap. So, hello Jeans, watching from Oakley. Hello sis. And then Melody pa. Oy, watching. Go Mentor Job, watching from home na uso ba sa mentors ng headband? Oh. So the thing is, if you have a bad day, bad hair day, yan ang sikreto namin. Have a headband. O, di ba? So yan. Kaya parang dagdag pa-cute lang at ganda, di ba? Pero hindi ibig sabihin na mag-headband ka din. Short hair ka naman kaya walang problema. so, so, yes, tama. Mga ngapa ka pa. Yun. Yeah. So, yeah, usually, ganun naman eh. Kahit na, kasi yung usually question na, di ba, lalo na dito sa US, uso ang mentorship or uso ang orientation or orientee. And doon ko nakita na talagang tutok sila. Sabagay pati din sa pero hindi masyado sa Pilipinas. If you started na as a nurse, yun na start ka na. By the book ka na lang pero dito they will let you pass through a mentorship program where you will read all the policies and procedures tapos yun na, and then you have to abide and follow the rules ganon. So at saka yung parang nakita ko rin dito sa business, yun yung kagandahan kasi dito sa business talagang there is a training site that you can do or yun nga ituturo sa'yo step by step at on your own pace para palakarin o patakbuhin yung business mo. And the good thing about our community, especially my small community na yung team namin is that we have an onboarding and we will teach them right away kasi we want that person to start her business running right away. We are not wasting time here, parang ganon. Kasi mabilis lang naman yun eh. If tatapos, we will just orient that person to go on the training site and see how the process is and the system runs. So yun yung talagang tinuro sa amin. So once you've joined in our business, we will help you right away to run your business so that at least up and running ka na. Yung the list nga na, 'di ba? The list nga na naturuan ko is para i-run yung business niya is 1 to 2 days, o 'di ba? Where else can you see a business where you can run it right away in 1 to 2 days? 'Di ba? So doon ka mapapabilib talaga na wow, what a business. And yung isa pa is yun, tuturo sa iyo yung mga talagang ituturo sa iyo kung ano yung mga strategies na gagawin mo. Pero it's up to you if you will follow that or no. But at least they are showing all the strategies that they have. Ibabangka nila yan sa harap mo para makita mo, and it's up to you if you will follow it or not. Kasi you are a business owner on your own. And here in our business or in our community, they will show you the strategies on how to do some shortcuts, di ba? To keep your business thriving. So, at saka ituturo sa'yo ang mga tools na gagamitin mo para maging successful itong business mo. And yes, there is a trial and error na gagawin, but the thing is, at least na yung mga experience na, yung mga napagdaanan na ng mga kasama namin dito sa business, they will show you the kung ano yung mga ginawa nila na mga mali at saka kung ano yung ginawa nila para maitama or para maging successful, tapos babalik na naman sa ganun. So yun yung napakaganda. And sabi ni si Shay, saan ka naman ngayon si Shay? Baka nasa Italy ka ngayon ha? Hello to another good mentor in this business. Hello. Mas magaling pa nga kayo eh. So, Casey Abad from home. Oh, saang home yan? So, hi Sis Zap, we are blessed to have you as our mentor. Thank you. Thank you also. Dito naman is if you join the business, yes, you have a mentor, but they will just show you the tricks, the ways na kung ano yung gagawin mo. Pero kapag ikaw na yung natuto, parang parang ano na, yan na, collaboration na. Both of you are mentors, both of you are mentees. Nasabay na kayong matututo kung ano ang gagawin. And yung maganda dito, at least you have somebody, you have a partner whom you will share your ideas, whom you will do a brainstorming to see kung ano yung mga dapat yung gawin strategically, 'di ba? Para umusad ang yung business, o 'di ba? So, hi Tita Beth, thank you for coming into my live. Hello from Las Vegas. Hope to see you one day. Tapos si Ate Debs, aloha ading Jow, hello. And your future business partners are blessed dahil they have the best mentor willing to share their knowledge and time anytime. At yun ang natutunan ko sa iyo, girl. Kasi at saka yun naman talaga ang nagustuhan namin, at saka yun talaga yung hinahanap namin, na it's a one of a kind business where you can find someone who's gonna help you do your business even if you have the same, 'di ba? Na hindi namin parang competition 'to, kasi yun yung maganda dito, kasi walang sulutan or walang agawan ng mga clients or prospects. This is not allowed in the community. Na yun talaga yung isang number one rule nila. Tsaka talagang tinutupad nila. Which is yun yung nagustuhan namin. Kaya siya hindi MLM. Yun pa lang. So yun. At saka saan ka makakita ng isang business na nagtutulungan that they have even if they have their own same businesses, di ba? Na nagtutulungan na lahat, pero lahat naman umaangat. Doon ka magtataka. At saka yung talagang yung culture talaga na tinuturo sa atin at saka yun yung naabutan natin, which is maganda. Kaya dapat ipagpatuloy natin ito. Just be coachable and willing to learn. Drop those egos. Nasabi ni mention ni Sis Gina kanina sa kanyang live, drop those egos and be coachable. Kasi dito sa business, walang maging successful kapag mataas ang pride mo, mataas ang ego mo. You have to be, you have to be a student all the time, but you are willing to learn and apply. Yun. Ang importante, application. Execute. Yun yung pinaka-importante. Tapos yun ang laging mini-mention na plan. If you have an idea, plan it and then execute. Don't just have an idea and then hanggang dun na lang, natabunan na ng procrastination at lahat-lahat. Diba? Tulad ko, I was, at first, I don't know how to use Canva. I don't know how to do those. I'm not a tech savvy kasi we are in a digital business. Pero nung bakit ikaw ba pagka-graduate mo, pumasok ka sa trabaho mo, yung tools mo lang naman is yung knowledge, di ba? But the skills you don't know. And nasa ideas mo lang lahat, pero pinilit mo pa rin pumasok at maghanap ng trabaho kasi gusto mong kumita. Parang ganun din dito na yes, you have the idea but you don't know how to start, or you don't know how to put it in action, and then just start and then you will learn things. Especially here, joining in our business, you will learn a lot of things even if hindi ka tech savvy, hindi mo alam kung ano ang digital business na sinasabi nila, hindi mo alam ang business, hindi mo alam ang kung ano ang gagawin, wala kang ka-idea because you did not graduate from this kind of profession, 'di ba? Pero ang dami-dami naming mga kasama na iba-iba yung mga natapos, iba-iba ang mga trabaho because it's an easy to learn. There's always a step 1, 2, 3 na sinasabi nila. And if you are willing to learn, at saka mababa ang ego mo, mababa ang pride mo, then magiging successful ka. So, yun. And sabi ni Tita Beth, as a student and a leader too, yes. Magiging topic natin one day. ang pagiging leader. And we will gonna talk about that on different days because every day we have a different topics to share. And today we're gonna be talking about mentorship. So yun ang gusto ko lang na i-share sa panahon na to, sa panahon ang lalim. Sa araw na to, dahil ako po ay mag-work mamaya at yun lang ang gusto kong i-share. Hello, hello JK. And yun nga, pag kayo ba ay naghahanap ng paraan, ng plan B, because we know that life is unpredictable. We don't know what life may bring. Maybe tomorrow something will happen and we don't know. And you're looking for a side hustle or supplemental income or a plan B, that at least something will be available when you need it, or a fund to be available when you need it, especially hindi natin masabi kung ano ang mangyayari bukas or mamaya, 'di ba? I'm offering you this, or I'm sharing you this opportunity, which is a life-changing opportunity that you can check, and you can see at www.josonkit.com. And you will see the overview of our business. Ito lang naman is just enter your email, because through your email you will receive the information. This is to receive the information alone. And when you want or interested or willing to start, you can proceed to step 2, where you can see the overview, or the black and white of not the overview, the black and white or the blueprint of our business. And if you want to be successful, sabi ni Coach Roger, if you want to be successful enough, then you can start or proceed to step 3. So yun lang po ang aming steps. And then yun nga, pag nag-start na kayo ng aming business, then you will have a mentor like me or anyone here in our community that will guide you and share their expertise or their experiences in this business. And for sure na hindi kayo iiwan, kasi yan po ang kagandahan sa business na ito, that lahat aangat, hindi lang ikakaangat ng isang tao or ng mentors ninyo, but kakaangat nating lahat. So just check on my website. And ito pa, welcome JK, hello, nakasundo ka na ba ng mga bata? And sis Shay, yes. So guys, what are you waiting for? Sign up at www.josonkit.com, di ba? Wag sana all, dapat tara all. And ito pa yung isa kong favorite mentor. Naging favorite mentor ko na nga rin kayo eh. This is they are both Ken and Zap. Mentor nga naman nila ako kasi mas nauna ako sa kanila, but the thing is parang nabaliktad yata along the way. I have learned more things about from them, especially running this business, di ba? And still learning from them. Yun yung kagandahan kasi dito is you will be a mentor, but as time goes by, pag minsan kasi mas mabilis mag-aral yung isa, mas maano yung isa. So as time goes by, yun na, nagko-collaborate na kayo, which is yun yung maganda. Kaya hindi ka talaga magtatrabaho na mag-isa dito, or hindi ka lang nag-iisa. Parang may mga kasama ka at may kasama kang gagabay sa'yo. And Sis Jaja. Hi, Sis Jaja. Hi, Sis watching from Santa Rosa. Hopefully one day mag-meet tayo. Dapat mag-ano tayo ng meet up natin na taga California, kahit na dito sa Norcal lang. And Sis Shay, www.josonkit.com. Go na. To live that life of your dream. Yes, because this is a life-changing opportunity. Check it, guys. We are not just talking here in front of the camera. We are not sharing our stories just to, get sharing our stories para pakinggan nyo lang. Hindi lang po kami nagpo-post sa social media ng aming mga achievements, ng aming mga experiences about this business or sharing this opportunity, not to boast or not to sabihin lang na we are a business owner, but we are sharing this to inspire to give you inspiration to check the opportunity, which is kayang-kaya nyo din gawin. Ako nga na kaya kong gawin, kayo pa kaya, 'di ba? Na ito para sa lahat, hindi lang po para sa aming mga nurses. Yes, there's a lot of nurses here in the community, but we have a lot of mga caregivers, o 'di ba? May mga nannies din, may mga doctors din, may mga lawyers, detectives, iba-iba pong posisyon talaga. May pharmacist, may medtech, so iba-iba po talaga, hindi lang po iisa. Kaya check niyo po, dahil para po, para sa inyo 'to, 'di ba? So check niyo lang. Yes, we have the best community, best mentors and leaders, and best coach dito sa business natin. Yes. And we learn from each other. Yan yung maganda talaga, especially if running a business, individual business pa 'to, 'di ba? Kahit na sinasabing individual business, we are still learning from each other, sharing secrets, sharing ingredients, 'di ba? Tsaka yes sis, oo nga, dapat meet up tayo one day. Yes, comes at Jean's birthday, magkakalapit lang tayo. Oo nga, magkakalapit tayo one day. We're gonna schedule that. Tingnan natin. Pero ang daming mga activities this year, so hopefully next year, 'di ba? So we're gonna talk more about that one. And yes, for our audience who are looking for a plan B or a side hustle, or who are aspiring to be entrepreneurs, check on our website. It is one of a kind in this generation, na kung naghanap kayo ng business or pagkakakitaan na sideline. Aside from being a digital creator on social media, why not check it out and use it as a mas malaking plano, 'di ba? Especially if we're talking about retirement or talking about fixed income, 'di ba? So, kung gusto niyo ng may fixed income, kasi being a digital creator alone or being a vlogger alone, meron darating din ang time na parang bababa din ang niyan. But if you have a business that is working on the background or at your back, at least you are getting on that goal, or you are stepping on that goal na magkakaroon ka ng fixed income. Kasi kapag digital creator ka lang is may katapusan din yan. At kung wala kang audience or walang manonood sa'yo, edi walang kita, di ba? But here, you are working or stepping forward on that fixed income. At kung narating mo yun, edi may fixed income ka na for lifetime. And that is one of our goal. And that is one we are sharing, that there is an opportunity, there is a hope where you can have that. Na you don't have to break a leg, or you don't have to break your back working forever in being an employer or being in a company lang, 'di ba? So at least may pinag-work ka pang legacy for your kids that you can pass on. You can pass it to your husband, you can pass it to your parents or your kids, 'di ba? Ang sabi nila, wala naman akong anak, but to your family to your sister, to your brother, or to your parents as well, 'di ba? And we all know that life is inevitable. We don't know. At least you have something to leave for your family, 'di ba? So, yes, that's it for now, and I hope to see you again tomorrow. Malayo na, pero malayo pa, on our 90 Day Success Challenge. And see you tomorrow on 67th day of our 90 Days Success Challenge. And yes, I'm signing out again. My name is Julie Ann. They call me Jao for short. And my website is www.josankit.com. And I'm a business owner and a mentor. And we are offering and helping individuals to jumpstart their online life-changing opportunity or business. So, yes, signing out, everyone. Thank you for coming into my live, and see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.